Hi, today we're going to see a one way. I think we spoke about it before, but I just want to make sure. As you can see here, right here, we have a KT1. What we're about to do can be done either with the KT1 or a KT2 controller. Okay, so let me explain. So we have the controller already. We did the factory reset and it's connected to the same network than the server. So when we have the controller and the server in the same network, okay, so right now I don't have the connection defined yet. I do have site. Okay, my connection on it, wired, my server is on my bench right now. But so I have site, yes. And right now I want to create a new connection KT1. Either I put it on a separate site or in one existing site, but I okay. All right, so I just did a factory reset on the equipment. I have my system ready as we just take a look. What I'm doing now, just to make sure, is that I have a KT1 that could also be a KT2, but I have a KT1 there, and I want to add that KT1 as a over IP in my Entropass. Okay, so I do have my Entropass and I do have the KT1 in the same network. And having that situation, there is one easy way to have the controller knock at the door and ready to be programmed. How do we do that? I'm gonna touch for 6 seconds here, and you can hear a beep. And now you did hear that. And what happened? On the bottom somewhere, something new came up. You see here? It says enrollment pending, and I also have here, sorry for my mouse. All right. So what do I do now? All I got to do is make a right click on that event and click on define. Okay. What do we do now, Jocelyn? Well, yep. Now we have the choice either add it to an existing site, create a new site. Here is the site. So I could add it to my existing site, or I'm going to create a new site. I'm going to call the site demo KT1 IP. Okay. I have the serial number. Everything is there already. The name of my door, demo test door. I have Rex, I have door contact. If I don't, I can change them here. I have my reader. You know what? My reader is an IO Smart. I'm going to select IO Smart and then I click on create. Once I do that, I have a bunch of events and you can see my controller, like it's receiving programming. Okay. Okay, so we have ongoing situation there. Let's wait a moment. So the controller, the connection has been created. I can see input definition. Um, so what do we do now? All right, let's wait a moment. Again, just to make sure, what are we doing? We are using a technique using the sensor on the phone by touching the sensor for 6 seconds. So we enable the controller. We ask the controller to, hey, go find a server and tell him about you. So that's what we just did. Once that's done, I show you there is an icon coming on the bottom. We use that icon and right click on it. We have different options. We select define. So like that, we create the new connection, setting up everything, door contact, exit button. We were able to even create a new site, and we set up the door and so on and so on. And right now, without touching anything else, I have my controller reload successfully. Okay, here we go. Now, if I go operation site, and so I have my new site. I didn't have that before. And I have IP device communication. Okay. All right. I hope these will help you go faster in your connection configuration, creation, and configuration for KT1 and KT2 connection. Thank you, everyone.